Hello and welcome to Maths at Home. I'm Tim. Today we're going to look at the number 2, which is the third in the series of videos looking at the numbers from 0 to 10. Remember the 5 things that we need to know about any number? Firstly, its value. Secondly, its place in order. Thirdly, its name. Fourthly, how it's written as a numeral. And fifthly, how it's written in words. It may be useful to look at the videos on the numbers 0 and 1 before looking at this one, but don't worry if you haven't. You can always find them later. Start by recognising when you have 2 objects, just as you did with number 1. Here are some examples. 2 cushions, 2 plants, 2 spoons, 2 oranges. You can also ask your child to collect 2 items for you. 2 pencils, 2 building bricks, 2 toy cars, etc. As well as recognising 2 objects, it is important to know 2 comes after 1 and before 3. This will come from counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or without the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whether you're counting objects or not. You can also make some number cards like these out of a cereal box. We mix them up. Can your child put them in order? 1, 2, and then maybe 3. Once you've spent some time helping your child understand the value of 2 and its place in order after 1, you can look at recognising the numeral 2. Here are some photos with the numeral 2. Can your child spot any 2s in these pictures or when they're out? You can play a game each time you're out, asking your child to look for a particular number. Finally, in this video, we will look at how we make the number 2 using addition. These are called the addition facts to 2. There are only 2 ways, although we can sometimes write them down in lots of different ways. The first and easiest to understand is 1 and 1. Hold 1 brick in one hand and 1 in the other. Ask how many in each hand in turn. How many have I got here? 1. How many have I got in this hand? 1. Or you could even say, how many blue bricks? 1. How many green bricks? 1. How many bricks altogether? 2. And you can start to introduce the language. 1 add 1 equals 2. That's the proper mathematical language. Or 1 and 1 makes 2. Or 1 more than 1 is 2. Don't worry about writing this down until you've talked about it a lot. Make sure you practice a lot with the numbers 1 and 2 before moving on to number 3. But please do look at the other videos in this series or any of the other Maths at Home videos. Thank you very much.